Let's solve this integral problem step by step. We need to find f of x given that the integral of secant x plus tangent x squared equals 2 tangent x plus f of x plus c. Let's start by expanding the squared term. When we square secant x plus tangent x, we get secant squared x plus 2 times secant x times tangent x plus tangent squared x. Now we can split this into 3 separate integrals. The integral of secant squared x plus 2 times the integral of secant x times tangent x plus the integral of tangent squared x. Let's solve each integral one at a time. The integral of secant squared x equals tangent x plus c. For the second integral, 2 times the integral of secant x times tangent x equals 2 secant x plus c, since the integral of secant x tangent x is secant x. For the third integral, we use the identity that tangent squared x equals secant squared x minus 1. So the integral of tangent squared x equals tangent x minus x plus c. Now let's combine all 3 results. We get tangent x plus 2 secant x plus tangent x minus x plus c. This simplifies to 2 tangent x plus 2 secant x minus x plus c. Comparing this with our original equation, 2 tangent x plus f of x plus c equals 2 tangent x plus 2 secant x minus x plus c. Therefore, f of x must equal 2 secant x minus x. And that's our final answer. Thank you for watching.